As a core component of strategic human resource management, HR, or people analytics, is the data-based approach to gaining insights about how HR can better align people processes with desired business outcomes. For a more detailed explanation of HR analytics, keep watching. But if you're looking for tools that help with HR analytics, use our product selection tool at TechnologyAdvice.com for a free list of HR software recommendations. Click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks to modern advances in data storage and processing power, businesses have access to more data than ever before. In the same way that increased access to data enables marketing analytics, it also enables HR analytics. This lets HR make decisions based on evidence rather than intuition. HR analytics can show managers what is and isn't working, and gives them the ability to test out solutions and measure results. To do this, HR managers use a variety of different tools and metrics, but for many organizations, it all starts with HR software, like an HRIS. HRIS stands for Human Resource Information System, and it's a central tool for HR managers to conduct hiring, store employee information, track performance, administer benefits, and more. We'll talk more about HRIS software in a moment, but first, let's take a look at some key metrics for HR or people analytics. While many HR managers use analytics to help with hiring efforts, this is not all that HR analytics offers. Organizations from all industries also use HR analytics to measure the success of diversity, equity, and inclusion efforts, employee engagement, and learning and development. Let's take a look at several areas of interest where HR analytics can help the most. If you use an HR system that includes features for applicant tracking, you'll likely have access to valuable hiring metrics and statistics. Analytics about time to hire can help you identify bottlenecks in the hiring process, and sourcing stats show you where applicants find your job postings. Some HRIS solutions will also let you run applicant funnel reports, which will show you the steps potential applicants took when applying for jobs. You can also use HR analytics to improve DEI efforts. Tracking the representation of people across different ethnicities and genders can be a good place to start for diversity. But stats showing average tenure by gender or ethnicity turnover rates might reveal more about inclusion, while stats showing pay and promotion gaps by gender and ethnicity can help when measuring equity. HR analytics can help when trying to attract and recruit talent, but it's also great for improving metrics like attrition, turnover, and retention. For example, attrition reports can reveal which departments or teams see higher turnover rates or whether certain age groups see better retention rates. Of course, HR analytics is largely made possible by HR software tools. These are powerful software programs that come as both standalone and all-in-one product offerings, so choosing the right solution depends on factors like your feature needs, company size, industry, budget, and integration requirements. There are many HR software options on the market, but some of the top-rated tools include Workday, SAP SuccessFactors, Oracle PeopleSoft, ADP, Namely, Bamboo HR, and Zenefits. All of these solutions support HR analytics, but that doesn't necessarily mean they're interchangeable. For instance, Workday and Oracle PeopleSoft are best suited for enterprise-sized organizations, while Zenefits and Bamboo HR are made for small and medium-sized businesses. Plan to spend some time researching your options before making a decision. But if you're not sure where to get started, we can help. Use our product selection tool at TechnologyAdvice.com to get a free shortlist of HR software recommendations. Click the button on the left to get started.